Welcome back, guys. I am excited for this video. It's gonna be a lot better than last week. So if you watched last week's video, you seen that I bought a cheap drone, and it was cheap for a reason. Didn't fly good, the software wasn't the best, so I spent the money on something a little bit better. Let's go check it out.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane.
It's a little windy out.
Now she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. She got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
So right now I just have an empty mode. Right there. There's me. Got still 25 minutes of battery. It's about 30 degrees out today. So let's test out some of these cool features this drone has. Bring her down. up. Quick shots. Down here of it. Returning. It's coming back to me. Still got 24 minutes or so flight time. That is awesome, guys. Alright, so let's do the helix. See how accurate it is. Pretty dang good, guys. Now that is cool. Alright. Let's go get back in the car. See that gimbal, how that gimbal just stays right steady with the drone. That is sweet. Let's get back in the car and warm up. Alright guys, what did you think of that? That is a cool little drone. This one was $389, so $100 more. I ended up going with the DJI Mini. The Fly More combo, so I think you can get it for like right around $300 if you just do the one battery and that kind of stuff, and then you have to download the app. But there's a lot more, I guess a lot of cool features to this compared to the other cheap drones. So if you guys enjoyed this type of video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button for me. It's going to be a fun toy. I'm excited. I know it says in the book, you know, the operating temperature should be 32 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, but it's 30 out today. I flew it the other day when it was 25 just around the house. I'll throw that clip in there for you real quick, but it's cool. It's a lot of fun. So I'm excited to get some cool footage for you guys with this. But like I said, make sure you smash that thumbs up button for me. Don't forget to subscribe, and check out our other channel, Outdoor Gladiators. I'm hoping to bring some cool footage with that. Our channel also has a drone, so I'm excited. Hopefully we can get some cool content for you guys. But I'm gonna head over to my dad's, fly it at my dad's, show him, and see you guys on the next video.